What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be diving into a simple workflow that you can do on repurpose.io with taking your TikTok videos and automatically posting them on your Twitter account without you having to do anything afterwards. Now, the cool thing about this is, for example, you might have tons and hundreds of videos from your TikTok account, and all you have to do is set up a simple workflow so that all these videos are just always going to your Twitter account without you even really having to realize it. Now, the cool thing about this is they just get views automatically. You don't even really have to worry about it anymore after that. And so that's kind of the nice part. It's really set and forget. And, you can start growing your Twitter account a little bit just from following these steps. So thanks for being here with us, and let's just quickly dive in. So first of all, when you get to your account here in repurpose.io, you just want to make sure your connections are set up. So obviously you want to have your TikTok connection set up, and then you also want to have your Twitter connection set up, which is right here. And so once those two connections are set up, you can go into workflows. And this is a very simple workflow. And I will do this here right over the shoulder. So you just click a new workflow, create a new workflow here. And you could just do TikTok to Twitter, for example. Or you can name it whatever you want to. Doesn't really matter. And then you click next. And now the source, we want it to be TikTok. And then obviously you're either going to probably have one TikTok account. Then you press next. And then you want to choose an action. So the action here that we want to choose is upload video. We don't want to convert it to audio. So you want to make sure it's upload video. And you want to make sure that it's full video, because we want to take the full TikTok video and put it onto Twitter. The snippets clip is for if you're taking like a long form video, such as like a YouTube video, and you want to get snippets of it. So we do not want to do that. So keep it at full video. And then you click next. And then now we're going to be choosing the destination. So in this example, we'll be doing it to Twitter. Okay. So let that load up here for a second, and then you click done. And then that's really it. It's really set and forget. So then when we go back to workflows, it should look something similar to this. If we look right here, you can literally do view content, your TikTok to Twitter. And once this pulls up right here, we'll be able to look. You can actually see like when it was published. You can click on this right here and it will show you your exact video when it was published. And then I have it set to auto. Now, when you click on auto, it will give you the option to post literally every single video that you've ever had from TikTok to Twitter. That is a little bit much, especially whenever you may have hundreds of videos. So when you click auto, there's going to be an option that says start from this date forward. So you can start it from tomorrow or start it from today. So that way, every single thing that you post on TikTok is automatically posted onto Twitter. And there's a couple of settings that you can do. You can do templates if you want to. You can burn subtitles. You can put an intro and outro video. See, on this, I put choose which content to auto publish. I put on this date and newer. And that was the date that I had it selected to. But other than that, like one last thing I think that would be useful is you can remove the hashtags from your source. So if you don't want those hashtags from your TikTok video to go to Twitter, you can remove those. You can also set it to only import videos. Let's say that on TikTok, you only want certain videos to go to Twitter. You can put a certain hashtag when you click this, and you can define the hashtag here so that on your TikTok video, when you put hashtag Twitter or something like that, it will post only that video or those videos to your Twitter account. So that's a really cool option. I don't really want that. And then also this, so like let's say that you have a TikTok video that exceeds the limit of Twitter. You can always do auto trim videos to fit your destination, which means it cuts off the video so that it can still post on Twitter. I don't recommend that personally, but if you make really long videos, let's say you could do 10-minute videos or something like that on TikTok, and you want to cut it off on Twitter, then that's an option for you. So I mean, that's pretty much the lowdown of TikTok to Twitter. Again, this is really cool just because it's so set and forget. You don't even have to worry about it afterwards. I've been publishing videos to it without even noticing, really. Sometimes I just go on my Twitter, I'm like, oh wow, I have more followers, I have views that I wouldn't have otherwise had. So hopefully this is something neat that you maybe didn't realize that you could do before. Let me know in the comments what workflow you want me to kind of overhaul next, and we can look at it through together.